Allah, weka vizuri.
Mungu.
Hey yo guys, the Army Kings is back with another video, and on my right,
Abdulli.
and on my left,
Mahad.
as you know me, I'm Yasir, so please subscribe to this channel and put a thumbs up. We have set a like target of 50.
Bro,
No,
let's
no,
make
no.
it 60, man.
No, make
60.
it
Yeah. Our like target is
60, bro.
Yes.
See, guys, today we are doing something different. Today we are doing general knowledge quiz. Hii ni quiz ambayo nitauliza hawa ma question. Like in the first video. Hii question Abdul akikosea ama Yasin akikosea wote mimi nitawachapa.
So you saying no one is safe?
And this one no one is safe. And even this one every round someone gets to be slapped. Who either so this video is about speed and brain. So
Come on,
I will
man.
be asking questions like general knowledge questions. Sasa I want to see who is faster and who has a brain. You get me?
Don't you have a brain?
Do
No,
like this. What are you feeling?
Okay. Let's start. Come on.
Ask. Although last time you
Let's start our challenge today. First,
Let me
are you
go.
guys ready?
Let me go.
No.
Oh,
This one is
one's
about
like
speed.
you have to
Ah.
answer first.
The first person who answer first, ndo atamchapa mwenzake. Huyo. So let's start. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Ready. Okay, don't look my phone.
Do like this, man. Where are you coming from?
No. How many letters are there in English alphabet?
26.
27.
Ah!
26, come, man. I
And
have to
the
beat him,
answer.
right?
Weka vizuri. So,
Watch out.
Bro.
wait.
Let me
Really,
hit you,
yeah.
bro. Mimi nitakuwekea fresh.
Kuro khatib.
Second call.
Second one.
Weka vizuri. Weka vizuri shingo. Yasin, round yako utampata wewe.
Bro, don't do this.
Ah.
26. The next one.
Which country is going to hold World Cup?
Qatar.
I came first, bro.
Tuangalie.
No, I came first.
Tuangalia footage. Tuangalia footage.
Mimi kabla hujasema nimeruka Qatar.
Tuangalia. So,
No.
who was first?
Yes.
Abdel.
Oh man, lakini
Look. Hata sijamaliza question ilikuwa.
Allahu Akbar.
Tulia bro, pole pole.
Hii si ndio watakuchinja bro.
Bismillah, ala barakatillah.
Weka vizuri basi. Weka vizuri utakushwa. Weka vizuri. Usike mkono, weka vizuri. Kushi weka shingo vizuri.
Allah. Oh, niumiza bro. My round is coming right now. Oh, it's cheating, man.
Don't look at my phone. Which planet is known as the red planet?
Pluto.
Let me tell you, Mercury.
Wote wawili mkosea. Acha ni wacha.
Fuck.
Ni Mars sio.
Ah,
Ni Mars.
Red planet.
Ni Mars.
You.
Weka vizuri.
Mars.
Weka vizuri.
What are you talking, man?
Weka vizuri, weka chini.
Msaidie.
Weka vizuri. Weka vizuri. Yasin. Iko chini tu usija. Yasin umbe. Yasin.
No, wallahi you cannot teach me.
Wallahi.
No,
This guy is doing this.
No,
You have to do it again. Come on, you have cheated now.
Don't do this, bro.
If you do it, then
It's block na easy.
Hakuna bro, no, that's impossible bro. I cannot allow it.
Lazima.
Kubali baba.
Umecheat lazima.
Usiweke mabega juu.
Lazima. Weka vizuri.
I'm
Mara yako. Yasin tulia, Yasin. Hawa tutakushika.
Usiweka. Ama mpige hapa. Pige hapa.
Yasin. Yasin.
Naksel.
Bro,
Usipige na mguu. Hakuna, mwanzo mchape ujana afu mimi
Mimi sasa wewe ndio ume.
Haya, Abdel ashindana, umeona
Nashindani kwani mimi ni mjinga jo. nataka kuniumiza bro.
Ukinipiga Abdul shauri yako.
Allah.
Weka vizuri.
Mungu.
Tulia.
Basi upe hapo.
Mimi umenipiga labda next time. Till
You are cheating.
father no.
Yasir.
هذا سيبس يبغى حد دي كان كرو جان حنوه ما
What you did, Yasir? This one. Yeah. Name Skiza, Yasir. Yasir is Skiza. Name the color of the grass. Green. Yasin was first. Yasin was first. Abdul. Yasin was first. Yasin was first.
Green.
Yasin. Abdul Eka.
Same question.
Abdul, no. Yasin was first. Yasin ndo akupiga.
Yasin atanipiga vipi?
Yeah.
napiga si
Sienda hapa.
kama fikiria
Haya. This one is about chemistry, eh? They go to school. I want to see like nani ambayo akita hapa. Which element is diamond made of?
carbon lala bro lala chini
Carbon.
What's the question?
Which element is diamond made of?
carbon bro
Carbon.
Carbon.
Jamaa, you see Abdul.
I'm
Abdul, acha hii ishi. Then you can go.
Bro, first time when you hit, second time ni yeye.
Utampata.
Yasin alipiga mara mbili.
Utampata.
تبقى عندنا كل اسم جديد. You guys.
no faster
Weka vizuri basi, weka.
Wait.
Ukiweka vizuri hawezi kupiga, weka hivi.
You're recording. Yasin taratibu. Fuck.
Useme.
You guys are
Okay,
killing me,
this
man.
is the last. Okay, this is listen. Okay. This is the last part and like the last
guys
part of the question.
Jamaa simnitetee bana.
Haki yangu.
Sikizeni. This is the last question.
Yeah,
The
I'm
person
gonna
who
win
gets
now.
it ndo atamuumiza wenzake. Na kama wote hamjui shauri yenu.
Sawa, mimi nitakuweka
Na check,
kibali.
sitaki
And
sikizeni.
you know God is watching me, man.
Sitaki watu washindane.
Come on, man.
So spell skizeni. Spell mortgage.
M-O-R-G
No,
M-O-R-G-A
Mortgage.
M-O-R-G-A mortgage.
LPU
M-O-R G-A
Mortgage.
C-H
M-M-O-R-G-A Goja
M-O-R mortgage.
M-O-R-G-A
Wote mngosea.
Goja M-O-R-G-E-A
M-O-R-G-A-R-E. Come on, man.
Zero.
M-O-R-G-A-R-E. Come on, mortgage.
Mortgage
Mortgage. M-O-R mortgage. Gage is like G-A-H.
Jamaa time imeisha. Wacha ni wachape. Then I will tell you.
No, you have to tell me. Maybe nimepata. Wewe utakuchapa.
Umekosea. Siwezi kuchapa kama mwana.
Mortgage. So detective, bro.
M-O-R-G-A-G-E
Nothing like that. Hebu weka kichwa.
M-O-R more.
To waste time. Ameanza saa zile.
Hakuna
Abdul tulia. Abdul. Weka shingo vizuri. Mimi si check. Yasin nae.
Hey, this guy is killing us, man.
Weka kichwa vizuri.
Ah, nini bro? Mko ni wazimu bro. Acha ujinga. Taratibu Lamela. Lamela acha ujinga basi. Serious taratibu. Ana wallahi anadanganya dia wallahi.
Yasir.
Wai Hanuna.
Yasir wewe ukubali challenge. Hanuna.
Wallahi Hanuna kana dia msikada dugoi video.
Yasir.
كتير
Abdul.
Look at my neck, bro. ترتيب يدخلنا.
Ondoa mkono.
لما لا تفهم انت عندكم Oh, look at mine, bro. Yeah, bro.
Basi.
Korle je imejini.
Oh, sijakupata. Sijakupata. So guys,
Next video, you should tell us who's gonna sit between. So the first video is guy. Sasa, you cannot allow this, so you have to come.
no guys, I will be sitting at the center.
So let us see your comments. Who's gonna go between? Okay, you're waiting, man. I hope.
No,
you choose
I'll
one.
always sit at the center.
I know,
Guys,
you guys are the best.
guys, thank you, and make sure you like this video and give us a thumbs up, and make sure you share our video to your friends.
Subscribe.
Thank you.